Alright folks, as you know, we're FNT. We got NS Train 1 and 2 coming northbound about to cross CSX Diamond in Chester, South Carolina. NSR line with NS Locomotive 6920, the honoring veterans locomotive in the lead. That's a P5. They put a P5 on that thing. Oh, he's all ass.
92 has it clear. Signal CSX cross to Chester.
Boy, you gotta do me good here. They put a P5 on that thing. Folks, that was a very, very short NS Train 192 heading northbound across the CSX Diamond NSR line, Chester, South Carolina, with NS Locomotive 6920, honoring veterans locomotive in the lead. Thank you all very much for watching. God bless.